getting pulled over.
I'm sweating in my palms. You say you gotta watch the flies.
Stop.
He must be running them. He must not know yet.
That's Can I try? Okay. You stop it, okay? Stop it, first. Alright, here.
Man, we done went through hella states and now we getting pulled over. And I had to be driving.
Right here.
My fucking luck. But hopefully he's gonna be okay.